Christmas is you. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents. It's just you I need to see. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want this war to end. We need peace on earth again. Help my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Well, I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole for Saint Nick. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeer click. 'Cause I just want you to leave the war, just the two of us, me and you. What more can I do? All I want for Christmas is you. I don't want a lot for Christmas. This is all I'm asking for. I just want to see you standing right outside my door. Oh, I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas